Did you know that your house's air ducts might have tiny holes? These holes can let air escape, making your home less comfy and causing higher energy bills. Ducts use static pressure to deliver conditioned air throughout the house. Holes lessen the pressure and cause problems. Imagine your garden hose. The water flows through the hose with a certain force, which you can feel when you cover the end with your thumb. This force, like the static pressure in an air duct system, pushes air through the ducts. Now imagine poking several holes in the hose. What happens? Water starts spraying out of the holes, and you're going to notice that the force of the water coming out of the end of the hose will change. With more release valves, the pressure decreases. This means the heating or cooling system has to work much harder to push air through the ducts to maintain the right temperature in your home, and it's often the reason for hot and cold spots. Worse, according to the EPA and other studies, these leaks in the ducts can cause up to 30% of the air to escape. That's a lot of wasted air, especially when it's really hot or really cold outside. But don't worry. With a little creativity that can easily be seen in any kindergarten class, you can improve the situation. All you need is a paintbrush, sealant, and a little patience. Fixing leaky ducts can save energy, which means lower energy bills for your family. It also makes your air cleaner and your home more comfy. Schedule your energy audit online in Maryland at homeairleakagetest.com.